And to wish like death upon somebody, never mind who it is like a bad thing. So all these farms and stuff that we worked, even if it was a lot of times after the fact, but it never stops. Like if it starts, it doesn't stop. And the reason why it stopped is because the people there like admired me, for just being bloody good at it, and not bumming my bum or anything, and that my workers could work so hard. They weren't like a lot, like it peaked like here by 200, but it's a tremendous freaking stress, to cough up every single week, like what, 40 grand. And it just became something that wasn't my thing. I wasn't made to protect corporations and things. And that's why it stopped. Like and it's like a game because, like they have all the time in the world, to scope for some sort of a disadvantage or loophole or something. Then you have to deal with lightning, you have to deal with flooding, you have to deal with poor power, you have to deal with like vandalism, you have to deal with so many bloody things. Everything is too complicated for everyone. Because the only way you can stop it is if you have like a constant stream of information and you can visually like follow it, so you can know what your next plan of action is and not getting hijacked in your bed in the middle of the night, and it has to automate because everything is too complicated. But I think I'll still do it, but not 25 years of anxiety, remorse, violence, things I've done. Sure.